Still struggling to find out how to run retargeting ads on Facebook in 2024, or what kind of audience or what kind of custom audience we have to go after to get the maximum out of the Facebook ads. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to run retargeting ads on Facebook in 2024. First of all, it is really important to run retargeting ads, but you should know which custom audience you need to go after. That is the key of running retargeting ads. I know internet is divided into two I know internet is divided into two groups. First, you should never run retargeting ads. Facebook will automatically run retargeting ads within your call prospecting ads. Second, you should always run retargeting ads. But there has to be a middle ground. There is nothing absolute in Facebook ads. These custom audiences are provided by Facebook for us to get the maximum out of the ads. So there is nothing absolute. We have to find the middle ground so that we can make maximum out of the ads. It's not about how to run Facebook ads, it's about how to grow your business. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It really helps me to create more videos around this. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 50 plus million in revenue for my clients. So I know what I'm talking about. It's all about the practical experience. I know what kind of things happen in big accounts and small accounts. So if you have any doubt, you can reach out to me using the link in description. So let's start the video. So here you are in my test ad account. It's just a dummy account that I use for the YouTube purpose only. So hit the create button, go to sales. Don't use advantage plus shopping campaign. Use manual sales campaign because it will give you much better control over ads. Hit the continue button, name campaign. Naming the campaign is really important because I've seen people running multiple campaigns and still they don't know what they are trying to achieve. So it's better to name those campaigns and see data clearly. Good thing about these ads is that we can see the data clearly and make decision based on the data. So always name your data, campaigns and ad set properly. We don't have to choose any of this. Next, choose your pixel, choose your conversion event, that is purchase, because want people to buy from us, right? We are putting $5 as an ad set budget. It totally depends on the data that you are going through. I'll just explain you each and everything, where you should increase the budget, where you should not increase the budget. Put the $5 budget, change the original audience, choose the correct country. When you're running retargeting audience, you need to understand retargeting audience. When we are targeting, these people know about your brand, they have seen your website, might have seen your Instagram, they might have seen your Facebook, so they are pretty warmed up, they know what your brand is all about, right? So you don't have to neglect all these things, age, genders. You should always keep them open. Don't even think about putting anything like, if you're running a brand that is focused on male, and you should put it on the male. You don't have to worry about that. It's about the data that we are going to capture through custom audiences, right? So first audience that I want you to create is custom audience. Is in this custom audience we are capturing the people who have buy from us till now, and 180 days is the maximum time that we can use for audience retention. Purchase. So in this audience, first we are going to put this as the ad set name, because we are targeting people who have already bought from us, right? Purchase 180 days. Here we are going to put ads of our different products. For example, if somebody buy from us and we have multiple products, then we should go with the purchase 180 days and showcase our other products to the people who have already bought from us, because the people who have already bought from us are our loyal customers. They have put our trust in our brand, and they might want to use another products of our brand. So if you have multiple products, or if you have two or three products and a person has buy only one product, you can put those kind of ads in purchase 180 days. You can put whatever video images or carousel for 180 days, right? This is our first audience. Now just duplicate it from here. Now we are going to target the people who have visited our website in last 30 days. Why we are trying to do is because people who have visited our website, they might have come from website, or they might have come from the Google search, or might have come from YouTube. But when we create this custom audience, this custom audience will capture all those people and put it in a group. So what we are going to do is all website visitors 130 days, or you can 180 days. So the concept of these days is totally depend on where you are right now. You might be having a very big account and you are running multiple products. You are on that time where you are just scaling, and right. So if you put 180 days here, so Facebook will capture all the previous data also. That might not be necessary because you are getting traffic on daily basis. So to make sure that we are reaching people, to those only that who have interacted with our on our website in 30 days, you need to put these audience retention in 30 days. If you have a very small brand, you don't have very large pool of data, you are not receiving any crazy amount of traffic on the website, then you can go with 180 days. So it all depends on this. Only time you need the 180 days is you have launching a new product, or you have introduced a new product and you want to target all those people who might have bought from you or might have just visited your website, and you want to gather a large pool of data, or you want to launch a new product. So at that time you can launch 180 days. Or you want to target, you don't have any large traffic, you just want to target the whole people and want the larger pool of the audience to go after, then you could go with 180 days. So for this video I'll just put in 30 days. Now we are going to exclude this purchase 180 days from here, so that we are reaching people who didn't buy from us, but they have shown some good level of interest in our website. They might have added to cart, they might have added payment info, but somehow they didn't able to buy it, or something else. Right? You need to put all website 30 days. The main thing is, you must see this advantage custom audiences. Reach people beyond your custom audiences when it is likely to improve performance. You need to untick this. The whole concept of this untick is that if you tick this, showcasing ads to those people, Facebook will increase the audience size and it will dilute our purpose of retargeting. I have seen multiple brands, people are running retargeting ads, and they have this option ticked, and they are wondering why our retargeting audiences is not working right. So untick this in all the retargeting audiences. You don't want to go beyond your custom audiences, right? All website 30 days. Another thing that you can do is, if you have really crazy amount of traffic coming on your website on daily basis, this is only for the people who are getting huge amount of traffic from lot of sources, right? You can create an audience that is add to cart. You need to remove this. People who have come to your website and added to the cart but they didn't buy, this will target this. Generally it is not required, like everything is covered in all the website visitor audiences, but to be on the safer side, or if you want to test out, you have some extra budget left, or you want to test out this audience, you can do it. Facebook will only spend the money if it has large pool of data. If it has very small pool of data, Facebook will not spend the money, and you will be stuck like, why Facebook is not spending the money. You should keep in mind it will work only if you have really large pool of data in this custom audience. And generally people, after iOS 14, Facebook is not able to track, and all the majority of interaction done by the customer is compiled in all website 30 days. So you can test out if you have some extra budget. Another thing I want you to do is to reach out to the people who have interacted with your Instagram and Facebook. This is really important because here Facebook can capture all the people. After iOS 14, Facebook is not able to capture all the people who have visited our website because of the privacy issue. And to avoid that, we can run our retargeting ad, that is, we are creating a custom audience and reaching out to the people who have interacted with our Instagram and Facebook. If you have really good number of followers on Instagram or on Facebook, you can create this audience, or even if you have low, you can create this. So it's a evergreen audience that you should always run. All website visitors and Instagram engagers and all those people, you can create this. It will always work. So now you have to see, you can reach out to the people. There are multiple options on Facebook regarding this, and you can see which perfects you. Generally I recommend is to go with account centers. People who have engaged with our post or ad includes account center who took an action on this post or ad, such as likes, comments, saves, carousel swipes, button taps, and shares. Right? So this will include all the people who have interacted with your ad. This is the key. You want to reach out to the every people who have interacted with our ad or post. You can go with this whenever you post something, and any reel that you are posting, any comment you have done, any likes you have done, this will accumulate it in this audience. You can even do this account center who have started following this professional account. This is for the followers. The second one is everyone who engaged with this professional account, includes who visited this profile or took an action on this post or ad, such as likes, comments, saves, swiles, button taps, or shares. So generally, you can opt for any of these two options, fourth option and second option, or you can just read it. Everyone who engaged with this professional account, who have engaged with any post or ad. So you can go with any of those two. If you have good amount of followers and you are running ads from longer period of time, you can go with the 180 days IG 180 days engagement with any post or ad. So this is just, you need to do same thing with the Facebook also. If you have any kind of engagement or you want to people who have interacted via Facebook, you can create another Facebook. You can combine these two audiences because these are or the audiences that are within the Facebook, and Facebook can easily accumulate the data in this custom audience. Right. I have shown you four audiences that you need to create. These are must. These are literally must. You don't need to worry about whether it will work or not. It will work. If it is not working right now, it will work eventually if you just put these audiences in your ad accounts. Only case you don't want to run the retargeting ads if you are a fresh new ad account and it's only been few days or a week or a month. Apart from that, you should definitely run the ads and see the results from there. One last question arises: what kind of ad you should put in this? You can add up to 4 to 5 ads in these audiences, right? Like if you are reaching out to the add to cart people, you can put, you can put a carousel image or video saying, hey, it looks like you forget something in your cart, here is the coupon code, and you can you can use this and buy from the, right. Similarly, you can do with the all website visitors. Here you should put all the best ads that are working on your cold audiences. You should put those ads in in this audiences. Similarly, go with the Instagram and engagement. These audiences, you are reaching out to the people who didn't buy from us. And purchase 180 days is the audience where people have already bought from you, and you can write something, hey, it's been a while, hey loyal customer, it's been a while that you haven't bought from us, here is the another coupon code, here is the new product that we have launched that you might like. These type of copy that you can use and make people buy from you. I hope you like this video. I have cleared each and every doubt about retargeting ads. You should definitely run it. It's nothing absolute on Facebook. You should keep testing. You only thing you need to test out is the ads that you need to put in and the amount of days that you want to target. 180 days, 60 days, 90 days, 30 days, depending on the traffic that is coming on the website. I hope this video makes sense to you. If you found any value, please hit the like button. Thank you.